Hi friends, Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics here. This is a morning routine video, and this video is going to show you how I unload and load my dishwasher in the morning. This makes tidying up very easy. Enjoy the video.
This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. Many years me I done the good. Rock the mic, me I rock the show. Many hit songs when I go. Still them go say me and now they try. I see them complain of Kanye West. They speaking mind the people best. Everybody wants to be the best, but the world can do without the best. Nobody I say up on the right guy. Glad them for I. He they think cool of a die. He do them like film. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't chuku. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. Yo coco coco yo coco. When we the win and go say now yo. They don't care. Yo coco coco yo coco. Some people say I go babalawo. Never. Nobody anybody carry me pass. Nobody they carry me pass. Nobody anybody they carry me pass. Nobody know me and they pray and fast. Only God they carry me pass. Only my Jehovah they carry me pass. Nobody they carry me pass. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't chuku. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Strengths. Yeah. Oh. They don't clap. Whenever I win. Yeah. Oh. So we don't care. Life we dey live.
All my cups and plates are arranged in plastic containers in my kitchen cabinets, which makes organization very easy for me. My daughter's cups, plates and bowls are also organized in a plastic cabinet.
This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex.
Many people ask me why I have a dishwasher at home. Even have two dishwashers, and I would like to talk about that in this video. First of all, I live at home with only my husband and my daughter. We don't have any help in terms of family members or any house help. So we discussed and talked about it. We did a few research and we realized that owning a dishwasher will help us greatly. And initially we bought a big one and have been using a dishwasher for about 2.5 years now. We had no problems, but then when I started to sell dishwashers on my own, I went into the business because I realized that most Ghanaians didn't know much about dishwashers, and young mothers like myself struggling out there with no help and always waking up in the morning or late in the evening and you're just standing and doing dishes with your baby crying. It's a lot. So I went into the business and I was able to get affordable dishwashers that everybody could afford. They are not expensive if you do your research very well. Dishwashers perform the same function. They are not too complicated. The basic thing it does is to spray hot water from the sprayers that are beneath the dishwasher, and you put in your soap and then it washes your dishes for you. As simple as that. So I started getting inexpensive but durable dishwashers and then started selling to my friends. So I decided to get a small dishwasher too, because the dishwashers come in various sizes. They have the big size and the small size. Although they have the drawer type and the countertop types, these are the two that I deal with. I deal in, sorry. So I got a small dishwasher to use and see how effective it is, whether it's different from the big one, etc. So I realized that there isn't much difference apart from the size. It's able to take a lot of items just like the big one. And so I am able to advise my clients based on the space they have available, the budget they have, and so on and so forth. So that is why I have two dishwashers. Aside that too, it helps me a lot. Sometimes we are not able to unload one. And so when the other one is available for loading, hey, we load it and then we are gone. We are going to work, out to town, or just having family time. And so I'm not saying everybody needs two dishwashers. Once you have one, it will get the job done for you.
I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. Many years me I done the good. Rock the mic, me I rock the show. Many hit songs when I go. Still them go say me I know they try. I see them complain of Kanye West. And speaking mind the people best. Everybody wants to be the best, but the world can do without the best. Akwage can sing in Jehovah. Nobody did that Jehovah. I say, happen to my car. Declare them for I. He they think cool of a die. He do them like Fimo. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't chuku. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. Yo coco coco yo coco coco. When you the win and go say now yo. They don't care. Yo coco coco yo coco coco. Some people say I go babalawo. Never.
Now all my dirty dishes are in the dishwasher, so all I have left to do is to clean my countertop, my sink, organize the kitchen, vacuum the floors, and probably do a light mopping for the morning.
This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't chuku. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Strength. Yeah. Oh. They don't clap. Whenever I win.
If you found this video useful or you enjoyed yourself, kindly click on the like button so I know that you enjoyed it. Please remember to also share the video, leave your comments below. I would love to know your thoughts. Any questions you have concerning dishwashers, kindly leave your questions in the comment section below. Also click on the notification bell so that you are notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you in the next one. Bye.
life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. This life I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex. Many years me I done the go. Rock the mic, me I rock the show. Many hit songs when I go. Still them no say me I know they try. I see them complain of Kanye West. In speaking mind the people best. Everybody wants to be the best, but what can do without the best? Akwa kika sini Jehovah,